How we doing, everyone, today? YouTubers, just wanted to share this video with you. I bought some of these train horns, Moto horns, I guess they're called, saying that the other one wasn't very loud and I almost got hit a couple months ago. But I didn't go through all the process of showing you as I'm doing it because it was more of a prototype thing to see how it worked. Turn this swamper off. But anyway, this is a 2015 Electric Glide, and this is where I mounted. I took the old horn off right there, mounted the new ones there. Took me a little bit to figure out a bracket for it because I needed to miss the shifter in here, which I got plenty of room and clearance on that. And I needed to miss the inside of it right there. And I've also got room. I can open my vent. I got plenty of room there. In the back here, you'll see where I mounted the compressors, 2 of them. Now let me go on the other side. But there's the bracket I made, all rubber mounted. And it misses the shield here too. This is, let me get a light here somewhere. Bear with me. There it is. Okay, up in here, you'll see where I mounted the compressors away from the exhaust. I think that's a good spot for them. Plenty of room right over the starter. They just slip right on, they'll come out. I use that red airline. It was just better than what they gave you as far as that clear stuff that pinches and gets hot, and I just didn't think it would last. So anyway, if this helps anybody trying to install these things on a street glide or whatever, I hope this video helps you. But I know they're going to get out of the way now. It doesn't sound too good in the garage, but I hooked it up to the original horn button. Definitely loud. Anyway, pretty happy with the way it came out. Mounted it to the primary cover here, and then on the old horn. And like I said, it's on there pretty good. It ain't going nowhere. Anyway, I hope that helps. It can be done with duals, and it doesn't look too bad. Might change a few things up, get some blackened screws and get rid of some of them chrome screws. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.